Hey there, YouTube fellow content creators and video enthusiasts. Welcome back to a new Raqmedia tutorial. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of video editing with a powerful tool called Capcut. Let's jump right in. Welcome back. It's an all-in-one video editor that offers a wide range of features, and the best part is, it's completely free. So, if you're looking to up your editing game without breaking the bank, then keep watching because we've got you covered. What is Capcut? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. Capcut is a versatile video editing app that allows you to create stunning videos right from your mobile device. Developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok, Capcut offers a user-friendly interface and a comprehensive set of editing tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this app has something for everyone. Let's move on to the next segment and see what features Capcut has to offer. You can check our full review of this tool from the links in the description below. Features and tools. Now that we know what Capcut is, let's explore its features and tools that make it stand out from the crowd. One of the most impressive features is its extensive library of effects, filters, and transitions. You can add that extra flair to your videos with just a few taps. Capcut also offers advanced editing options like trimming, splitting, and merging clips, as well as adjusting video speed and adding text overlays. It even has a wide variety of music and sound effects to enhance the overall experience. Trust me, the possibilities are endless with Capcut. User-friendly interface. Ease of use is always a crucial factor when it comes to video editing software, and Capcut doesn't disappoint in this department. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to get started, even if you have no prior editing experience. The layout is clean and organized, ensuring that you can find the tools you need without getting overwhelmed. Additionally, Capcut provides handy tutorials and tips to guide you along the way, making your editing journey a breeze. Download and installation. Alright, now that we've covered the exciting features and user-friendly interface of Capcut, let's talk about how you can get your hands on this amazing app. Capcut is available for both iOS and Android devices, and you can find it on the respective app stores. Simply check the links below for Capcut and hit that download button, whether for PC or smartphone. Once the installation is complete, you'll be ready to unleash your creativity and start editing like a pro. And there you have it, folks. A quick rundown of Capcut, the best free all-in-one video editor out there. With its extensive features, user-friendly interface, and impressive editing capabilities, Capcut is definitely a game changer for content creators and video enthusiasts. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give it a try. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower, and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com